Super tough feature. Tom Clancy, Ghost Recon. Gotta show y'all this. Shit that Call of Duty does not do. I'll show you this right now. My bad. Oh shit, primary weapon, huh? Oh, that's my gun right there, you know? Oh, alright, you see that? Every individual piece you can actually upgrade by a different piece, you know? Change the color. Trigger, you can even change the fucking trigger. Semi-auto, look, match trigger, full auto. You know, got a lot of shit going on over here. The magazine, you know, double clip, big clip, little clip, you know, powerful shit. And you got the grips, all different type of motherfucking grips on this bitch. Not only the grips, you got the fucking gas system to your fucking gun. Like, who even knew that? Yo, I'm telling you, this Ghost Recon shit is advanced. You know, you got the rest, you know, soft rail, barrel, muzzle, every fucking piece of your gun you can actually upgrade. And then when you're done, bang, you put it back together. Yeah. You really want to get technical? No? Show you how we doing this. Show you my secondary. No? Got my secondary on and popping, handgun and shit. Good money. You straight. Do the demonstration. Ghost Recon. Customizable weapons. Alright, over and out.